Hi guys, it's Ilene here, and I want to thank you so much for everybody's support helping me to grow my YouTube channel. I'm so happy I've reached my goal of 100 subscribers, and now I hope to reach 200 subscribers, and from there I want to just keep going as high as I can. I have a lot of things in mind to help grow my channel to where I want it to be, and I hope that everyone here stays with me through this journey and continues to share my things with other people and grow my channel. And I thank you guys so much for your support through this process, and I hope that if you've not been to my channel before, that you like this video and you subscribe to my channel, give it a great big thumbs up, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of my future uploads to come. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye!